In this video, we'll explore what system administration is, how it connects with networking, and why it's important. You'll learn who system administrators are, what they do, and how they keep everything in the digital world running smoothly, from your school's computer lab to giant websites like YouTube and Amazon. Have you ever used a computer in school, opened a website, or printed something from a shared printer? Ever wonder who keeps everything working behind the scenes? Who makes sure your computer connects to the internet, your files are safe, and your online classes run smoothly? Well, get ready to meet the hidden heroes of the digital world who are system administrators. Let's find out what they do and why they're so important. Let's quickly remember what we learned in our last video. We talked about computer networking, the invisible web that connects computers and lets them share information. We saw how devices like computers, phones, and tablets talk to each other using networks. We also learned about routers, switches, modems, and how data moves across the internet. Now that you know what a network is, it's time to learn how these networks and systems are managed. This is called system administration. Once we understand what system administration means, we'll look at the people who perform these important tasks. So, system administration is the job of managing and maintaining computer systems and networks. It includes setting up computers, installing software, keeping systems secure, and making sure everything runs smoothly. System administration makes sure that all the devices in a network can work together, stay protected from problems, and perform well every day. Now, who takes care of all this? The answer is system administrators, also called sysadmins. They are the people responsible for doing all the tasks we just talked about. Think of system administrators like mechanics who keep everything running in the digital world. Just like a mechanic keeps a car working, a sysadmin keeps computers, servers, and networks working without trouble. Without system administrators, we wouldn't be able to connect to the internet, send emails, or even log into our school computers. So system administrators have many important tasks. Let's look at some of the most common ones. Setting up computers and servers. When a new computer or system is added, a sysadmin installs the right software and connects it to the network. Managing user accounts. They create usernames and passwords and make sure everyone has the right access to files and tools. Installing updates and software. They update programs to fix bugs and keep computers safe from viruses. Backing up data. They make sure important files are saved and can be recovered if something goes wrong. Fixing problems. When something breaks, like a slow internet connection or a printer issue, they step in and solve the problem. Monitoring performance. They check if the system is running smoothly or if something needs fixing before it becomes a bigger issue. Keeping everything secure, they use firewalls, antivirus programs, and passwords to protect computers from hackers and viruses. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. System administration and networking go hand in hand. Networking is about connecting devices so they can talk to each other, while system administration is about making sure those devices and connections are working properly. For example, when a new student joins your school, the system administrator adds their account to the network so they can log into a computer, access school files, and use the printer. When your school gets new computers, the sysadmin connects them to the network and makes sure they can access the internet safely. Sysadmins also make sure the network is secure so no one from outside can hack into your school's computers or steal information. Let's look at a few tools system administrators use to do their jobs. Command line tools. These are text-based tools where admins type commands to control the computer. It might look like a black screen with white text, but it's super powerful. Remote access tools. With tools like SSH or remote desktop, sysadmins can control other computers from far away. This is helpful if a computer in another room or building has a problem. Monitoring software, these tools help sysadmins keep an eye on system performance. They can see if the computer is running too hot, using too much memory, or is about to crash. These tools help them solve problems faster even before you notice them. By the way, make sure to check out our website, UTCLI Solutions, where we offer plenty of IT-related courses along with other services. There we also offer a course, Linux System Administration Troubleshooting and Linux Network Administration. I am mentioning link in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Now you might be thinking, can't computers just take care of themselves? The answer is no. Computers need regular care and updates, just like your bike needs air in the tires and oil on the chain. If no one looks after the system, it can crash, get hacked, or run slowly. That's why system administrators are so important. Imagine this. You come to school and none of the computers work. You try to join your online class, but your account doesn't log in. You send an assignment to the printer, but it doesn't print. All these problems are solved by the system administrator. Let's look at a few places where system administrators are super important. Schools. They keep all the classroom computers and smart boards working. Offices. They make sure workers can log in, use emails, and access files. Hospitals. They protect patient data and make sure machines like X-rays are connected and working. Banks. They protect your money by keeping systems secure. Websites. They manage the servers that store websites, making sure the pages load and stay online. So the next time your Wi-Fi works or your school computer turns on without a problem, thank a system administrator. If you enjoy fixing things, solving puzzles, or understanding how computers work, you might want to become a system administrator someday. Here are some skills that can help. Learning about operating systems like Windows and Linux, understanding how networks work, practicing with real computers or simulators, being good at problem solving and staying calm during technical issues. Sysadmins don't just work behind the scenes, they are superheroes of the digital world. As technology keeps growing, the job of system administrators is becoming more exciting and more important. Now, many systems run on the cloud, which means computers and data are stored on the internet instead of in one place. This means sysadmins can manage computers from anywhere in the world. With the rise of cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and automation, system administrators are learning new skills and tools to keep up with the times. Even smart homes and connected cars need system admins to make sure everything runs smoothly and stays protected. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. System administration is about managing computers, servers, and networks. System administrators fix problems, install updates, protect data, and keep things running. They work closely with networking to make sure everything stays connected. Without sysadmins, schools, businesses, hospitals, and websites would have major problems. The future of system administration is full of new tools, cloud systems, and cool tech. So remember, behind every working computer system, there's a superhero system administrator making it happen. Now that you understand system administration, so now get ready to dive deeper. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.